Beware of manipulation tactics. Some people use subtle psychological tricks to gain your trust, control your emotions, and take advantage of you. Here are key warning signs to look out for. Political probing. They suddenly bring up politics in conversation, not to discuss, but to gauge your beliefs. By aligning themselves with your ideology, they create a false sense of common ground, making it easier to deceive you later. Dismissive of opposing views. They claim not to understand people who think differently from them or you. This tactic lays the groundwork for building an us versus them mentality, solidifying their influence over you. Feeding off emotions. Some people deliberately trigger emotional responses in others. Whether through anger, sympathy, or excitement, they manipulate your feelings to control your actions and decisions. Speaking down on others. They frequently belittle or criticize others, particularly successful individuals or those respected in your shared community. This often serves to elevate themselves while undermining others' credibility. Early compliments. Excessive praise early in a relationship can be a red flag. Manipulators use this love-bombing tactic to make you feel special and lower your defenses, setting the stage for future exploitation. Contradictory statements. They may claim to hold a particular belief, but then make remarks that contradict it. This conflicting pattern is a psychological manipulation tool to test your perception and gain your trust through confusion. Sudden negativity. Initially warm and friendly, they later turn negative, often portraying themselves as victims. They frequently share grievances about how they have been wronged, seeking sympathy and control over your emotions. Too perfect. They present themselves as flawless, the perfect philanthropist, the ideal teacher, the most moral leader. This carefully crafted image is meant to earn your admiration and make it harder for you to question their motives. Wealth and manipulation. Those who accumulate extreme wealth often do so by exploiting others. Whether by charging excessive prices for low-cost goods or underpaying employees, their financial success often comes at the expense of fairness and integrity. Mirroring. They agree with everything you say, reflecting your likes, dislikes, and opinions back at you. Lacking true individuality, they create a false sense of connection by pretending to be just like you. Self-centered conversations. No matter the topic, they quickly shift discussions to themselves. They dominate conversations, ensuring their needs, stories, and experiences take center stage while subtly diminishing yours. Too good to be true. They make unbelievable promises, such as easy ways to make money, exaggerated personal success, or guaranteed solutions to problems. If something sounds too perfect, it's likely a manipulation tactic. Gut instinct. Your intuition is a powerful tool. If you feel something is off about a person or situation, trust that feeling. Ignoring red flags often leads to regret and emotional distress later on. Master storytellers. They craft elaborate emotional narratives to gain your trust and manipulate your perspective. They position themselves as heroes or victims, making it difficult to see their true intentions. Attention-seeking behavior. They engage in outrageous or controversial actions purely to capture attention. By creating emotional responses in others, they manipulate people into focusing on them and their agenda. Understanding these manipulation tactics can protect you from deception. Stay aware, trust your instincts, and don't let yourself be controlled by psychological tricks.